Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Rajendra Madle. I am a BTech final year student and I am here to give presentation about technology of a ramjet and scramjet engine. So let's start. This is our index. Introduction of a jet engine. In jet engine we used nothing but a gas turbine. It works under the principle of Newton's third law, which states that every action has equal and opposite reaction. In jet engine, we used a compressor to compress air and mix with fuel and burn and give us thrust. Ramjet is a form of a air breathing jet engine. In this jet engine, there is no use of a compressor. Since ramjet cannot produce any thrust while it is stationary, therefore it required a booster or a rocket to give a maximum speed of a 3 Mach. Then ramjet can work. Ramjet can operate speed up to 6 Mach. Air enter into ramjet with supersonic speed slower down in a sonic velocity in the subsonic diffuser. It increased air pressure. Due to pressure increase, the temperature also increased. In diffuser, fuel injected into the combustion chamber, it burn with the help of a flame igniter. The high pressure and high temperature gases are passed through the nozzle, converting into the pressure in energy into kinetic energy. Advantages of a ramjet engine is as follows. It's efficient, it gives high thrust to weight ratio, it is a lightweight, and it is used in a low cost missile system. Main disadvantages of a ramjet is there is no compressor, therefore takeoff thrust is zero and therefore it is not possible to start a ramjet without an external device. Another disadvantages of a ramjet is engine is heavily relies on the diffuser and it is very difficult to design the diffuser which will give good pressure recovery over wide range of speed. Application of a ramjet is it is used in aircraft, short range missile system, and also see in a aircraft engine, base guard ramjet, gas turbine, hypersonic engine, jet aircraft, jet engine, etc. Scramjet is nothing but an upgraded version of a ramjet engine. Unlikely ramjet, scramjet does not reduce the supersonic speed of air. As ramjet, scramjet reels a high velocity speed to compress the incoming air forcefully before the combustion, but whereas as a ramjet decelerates the air to subsonic velocities before combustion using a shock cones. A scramjet has no shock cone and slow the airflow by using shock wave produced by the ignition sources in the plane of a shock cone. Scramjet are designed to operate in the hypersonic flight region beyond the reaches of the turbojet engine, and along with the ramjet fill the gap between the high efficiency of the turbojet and highly speed of a rocket engine. Basically, as a ramjet takes subsonic wind to as a inlet to the engine, the scramjet also takes supersonic air as an intake of an engine. Some advantages of a scramjet engine is it does not need to carry external oxygen, and no rotating parts makes it easier to manufacturing a turbojet, and also it is used in a rocket in future. Some major disadvantage of a scramjet is it is very difficult and expensive testing and development. As a ramjet, it also required a initial thrust, and also it is a very costlier with compare to ramjet. So this is my presentation about ramjet and scramjet technology. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.